let me see if FactMod. No. So I'll probably just go to Google for this one and type in what is the climate in Indiana? And then weather.com.us. That's perfect. So let's click on that. As long as it's not Wikipedia or just regular Google. Sometimes Google will pop up with an answer by itself. It needs to take you to a different one. So come down here to the climate of Indiana. If it ever loads. Perfect. Indiana experiences a humid continental type of climate. So do you see? There you go. So I would write humid continental. And then down here, summers are hot, humid, and wet. High temperatures, 100 degrees. So that is not the average, though. That is the extreme. But you could do that if you can't find anything else. So September and October, the temperatures around 65, 85. Okay, perfect. December to February, that would be the winter temperature. The low temperatures often drop to extremes that reach 0 degrees. So I would put the average winter temperature is 0 degrees. The average summer temperature, I would say, let me look. Let me see if I can find one. The summer is like July to September. So I would say 85 degrees is the range for the average winter or summer temperature. So I'd put 85 degrees right here. And then the average precipitation, so Indiana registers an average of 42 inches of rain annually, and snowfall ranges from 14 to 76. Well, that's a lot. So I would probably say if we just added 42 plus 14, that would get me 56. I would put probably around 56 inches. Now, here's the thing, guys. If I look on a different page for this, the answers might be different for this climate one. And so that is why you need to show me which website you got it from, because it will not always be the exact same for each website because different people use different data, different statistics. So bodies of water, I could come back over here to Indiana. If I go to geography, net state, major rivers and lakes. So bodies of waters. We don't have any oceans near us, but our major rivers and lakes are right here. So I would write 4 of them. Obviously, you can always write more if you want, but you have to at least write 4. And then plant life. Oh, look, highest temperature, lowest temperature. This would work totally too for climate. That would be perfect. But do you see how it's the lowest temperature was negative 36? Well, yeah. Monthly average range from 88.8 to 15 degrees. Yeah. Like I was saying, it depends on what website you're on, which is why you just need to show me what website you get things from. And then plant life, if I come back up here, economy, no, let's see if it's on here. So like even me, I'm having to like look through almanac, maybe it's the almanac. This is going to be helpful for your land area. So do you see even how I'm having to like do a little bit of research for it? Let me go back to the intro and see if I can find. So there's the nicknames that we did the other day. Quarter. Okay, so I'm going to have to find a different one. So let's go to 50 states. I come down here to Indiana. And let me see if there are. So obviously the peony would work. We could put the tulip tree again. See, so it takes a little bit of work, but literally, what are trees, flowers, and other plants that grow in your state? So again, I could come over here to Google and I could type it in. Always remember, no matter what you do over here, if you write something down over here, the website needs to be linked over here. Okay, so make sure you're always linking websites. Always, always. It's very important to me that you are not plagiarizing and that you give credit where credit is due. So any tree, flower, or other plant that grow in your state, you need 6 of them. Obviously, we have way more than 6 types of trees that grow in Indiana. Just pick 6. It doesn't matter. I don't care how, like, you can do more than 6, but you need at least 6. So there you have it. Happy researching for today too. And then you get a little break, which will be nice.